Welcome. This question says sound propagates through air that has a bulk modulus of 1.2 times 10 to the 5 Pascal and a density of 1.2 kilograms per cubic meter. So we're visualizing, a room full of air, and we know that its bulk modulus is equal to 1.2 times 10 to the 5 Pascal, and we know that its density is equal to 1.2 kilograms per cubic meter. Remember, think back about Physics 1 where we did bulk modulus. We did Young's modulus, shear modulus, and bulk modulus, basically. So look back at those notes if you're not familiar with them. And velocity of sound in air is given to the square root of b, the bulk modulus, over the density. Simple as that, really. So in this case, v is equal to the square root of 1.2 times 10 to the 5 over 1.2. So v is equal to the square root of 10 to the 5, which equals the square root of 100,000. So if I look at this, v is equal to 316.23 meters per second. So there we have it. Just a simple recall the equation, plug in your numbers, and you've got it.